In the chaotic world of crypto, where fortunes are made and lost in seconds, one promise has always stood out. Let the bots trade for you. No human emotions, no hesitation, just pure logic, or so we're told. But what if that logic isn't always right? What if the shortcut everyone's rushing to take is actually a trap waiting to snap? This is the untold story of Binance trading bots, the genius, the risk, and what happens when the markets go rogue. For most of us, crypto is overwhelming. Charts spike, coins crash, influencers shill, and the fear of missing out is real. So when Binance, the world's largest crypto exchange, launched user-friendly trading bots right inside their app, people saw an escape. No need to monitor the markets, no need to analyze news. Just set a bot, walk away, and watch the magic happen. And yes, when it works, it's impressive. Users started sharing screenshots of steady daily profits, $10, $50, even $200 a day, all while they were at work or asleep. But here's what they don't always show you. Let's break it down. Binance offers a few key types of bots. Grid trading bot. It divides a price range into intervals. When the price drops to a lower grid line, it buys. When it rises, it sells. Think, buy low, sell high on autopilot. DCA bot, dollar cost averaging, invests a fixed amount at regular intervals. Great for long-term strategies. Rebalancing bots. Automatically adjust your portfolio based on your target asset ratios. Sounds smart, right? But here's the kicker. These bots don't think. They don't react. They follow cold, hard rules no matter what the market's doing. That buy low, sell high idea, it only works if the market stays stable or predictable. Now ask yourself, when was crypto ever predictable? Let's look at a real story. Meet Alex, a part-time trader from Canada. He set up a Binance grid bot for ETH/USDT during a sideways market, and it worked beautifully for weeks. Daily profits, no effort. Then came a market dip. Ethereum tanked. The bot? It kept buying and buying and buying. It wasn't wrong. It was doing exactly what it was told. But the deeper ETH fell, the worse it got. By the time Alex realized, he was sitting on thousands in unrealized losses. The bot didn't panic, but Alex did. And here's the real danger. With manual trading, you feel the risk. With bots, that risk is silent. It creeps in while you're asleep. Bots only perform as well as they're programmed. But here's the issue. Most users rush the setup. They don't adjust grid size for volatility. They don't set stop losses. They ignore market conditions entirely. Binance offers tutorials and disclaimers. But let's be real. How many people actually read them? And here's where it gets sinister. The UI makes it look easy. Too easy. You feel like you're controlling something powerful. But in reality, you're just pressing a button. A bot with no brain, and you without a plan. Now let's be fair. Binance trading bots can work. In fact, they do work for people who know what they're doing. If you understand market cycles, pick the right coin pair, set conservative grid levels, and monitor things regularly, then yes, bots can become your edge. They eliminate emotion. They never sleep. They execute faster than any human ever could. In the hands of the informed, bots are tools. In the hands of the uninformed, they're loaded weapons. Binance isn't the only platform offering bots. From 3 commas to Pionex to KuCoin, automation is the new frontier of crypto. But automation doesn't mean guaranteed income. It means scaling decisions, good or bad. And if your decision is based on hype, hope, or TikTok tutorials, you're not trading. You're just watching a machine gamble for you. And remember, even the best bots can't predict black swan events. Luna crash, FTX collapse, regulatory shocks. When those hit, bots don't scream, they just execute. The future of trading might be automated, but the responsibility? That's still yours. Binance trading bots are neither good nor evil. They're just mirrors and reflecting how much you know about the game. So before you click Start Bot, ask yourself one thing. Are you running the bot, or is the bot running you?